In the event that you're searching for Uniswap cost expectations gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and by and large need to know where the costs of Uniswap, UNI will generally go from here on out, which for the most part is genuinely critical. We will generally investigate the previous costs of Uniswap, UNI, and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to in every way that really matters, take this forecast, and each kind of other expectation with the aim that this truly is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally unthinkable. Yet, we will attempt our very best. How about we start? Uniswap by and large pass value examination as per irrefutably the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Uniswap is $4.23. And UNI is right now especially position number 27 in the very whole crypto biological system. The flow supply of Uniswap truly is 577,501,031 with a market cap of $2,444,459,683. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been really diminished by 0.06% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the UNI with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap generally is likewise down. Uniswap is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The UNI in every practical sense is down to nearly 0.92%. In the kind of most recent 7 days, the coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for truly beyond couple of days. The coin could have in every practical sense, solid basics at the same time. We don't believe that it would a productive resource in present moment. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of UNI diminished by 33.099%. Wiping out an incredible normal amount of $2.09 from its in every practical sense current worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be an especially decent basically purchase and open door for genuinely fast venture, which is very critical. The 90 days cost change is near 35.85%, and the cost flowed from a base typical cost of $6.10. To pretty most extreme really normal cost of $6.70. In the beyond 90 days, Uniswap is somewhere near 23.42% with the most extreme fundamentally normal cost of the coin was around $5.27, and the truly least exceptionally normal cost of essentially was around $5.15 in beyond 4 months. We generally anticipate future Uniswap cost expectations unigauge by applying profound genuinely man-made consciousness, helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Uniswap. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Unicoin, which incorporate especially various boundaries like past value, Uniswap market cap, Uniswap volume, and certainly not many more in an unpretentious manner. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies, and for the most part need great profit from your ventures, make in every practical sense sure to peruse our expectations. Uniswap Value Expectation 2023. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2023, the cost of Uniswap is supposed to explicitly reach at the very least value worth of $7.69. Which is genuinely huge. The UNI cost can arrive at a genuinely greatest value worth of $8.44, with the extremely normal worth of $7.96 in an unobtrusive manner. Or so they thought. Uniswap Value Expectation 2024 Uniswap cost most certainly is estimate to arrive at an essentially the least certainly conceivable degree of $11.13 in 2024. According to our discoveries, the UNI cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $13.22, with the typical figure cost of $11.45, in opposition to mainstream thinking. UNI value figure for 2025. The cost of Uniswap is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $15.58 in 2025, which is genuinely huge. The Uniswap cost could especially arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $19.64, with the typical exchanging cost of $16.16, all through 2025. Uniswap. UNI Value Expectation 2026 Uniswap cost is conjecture to, in a real sense, arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $23.52 in 2026. According to our discoveries, the UNI cost could explicitly arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $27.34, with the typical figure cost of $24.17. Uniswap Value Expectation 2027. The cost of Uniswap is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $32.81 in 2027, in a kind of significant manner. The Uniswap cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $40.08, with the typical exchanging cost of $33.78 all through 2027, in an unpretentious manner. Incredibly, Uniswap Value Expectation 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on truly past value information of UNI in 2028, the cost of Uniswap is anticipated to, in a real sense, reach at any rate level of $49.83, or so they, all things considered, thought. The UNI cost can arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of $57.42, with the typical exchanging cost of $51.52. Uniswap UNI Value Expectation 2029. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2029, the cost of Uniswap is anticipated to reach at least degree of $71.35. Amazingly, the UNI cost can arrive at a by and large greatest degree of $86.78, with the typical exchanging cost of $73.42. Uniswap Value Estimate 2030. The cost of Uniswap is anticipated to reach at an exceptionally least degree of $104.04 in 2030, or so they thought. The Uniswap cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $124.07, with the typical cost of $107.71, all through 2030. Incredibly. Uniswap UNI Value Expectation 2031. As per our truly profound specialized examination on past value information of UNI in 2031, the cost of Uniswap is estimated to, in every way that really matters, be at around a base worth of $152.18. The Uniswap value worth can basically arrive at an especially limit of $181.09. with the very normal exchanging worth of $156.49 in United States dollars. Uniswap Value Expectation 2032. The cost of one Uniswap fundamentally is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $217.36 in 2032. The UNI cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $264.71, with the typical cost of $225.18, all